Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your Netflix region on your Mac. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need a VPN. A VPN allows you to virtually change your location. To get started, open your web browser and search for a VPN. In this video, we're using IPVanish. You can find a link in the description or the pinned comment below to get started. To download IPVanish, hover over Apps on the top navigation bar of their website and click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, click Download App. Choose where you want to save the installer. I'm putting it on my desktop for easy access. Once downloaded, open the installer. You'll see the IPVanish logo. Simply drag and drop it into your Applications folder. This might take a few seconds depending on your Mac speed. After installation, you can close the installer and even delete it if you want. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm using Launchpad. The first time you open it, you'll get a prompt. Just click Open. This will take you to the IPVanish login screen. Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, use the link in the description or pinned comment for a significant discount. The first time you log in, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you're ready to use the VPN. Let's get to the Netflix part. Open your web browser, go to Netflix, sign in, and choose a profile. Important note, this method works more reliably with Chrome than Safari, so I am using Google Chrome. Right now, I'm in the UK, so I'm seeing the UK version of Netflix. I want to access the US version. So, I'm going to minimize Chrome and open IPVanish. Go to the Locations tab on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of servers. Choose a US server. There are many, so pick one closest to your location. I'm going with Boston. Once you select a server, it will connect within a few seconds. Once connected, you'll be browsing as if you were in that country. Okay, we're connected.
Now, minimize IPVanish, go back to your browser, and refresh the Netflix page.
And there you have it. As you can see, we're now in a different region. The top 10 TV programs in the US today is displayed. Select the TV program you want to watch and start watching it just as you normally would. Remember to click on the link in the description or pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.